Hey there! In the previous session, we have seen some basic prompt. Today, we are diving into the world of AI and travel planning. Ever wondered how a simple question about your next vacation can transform with the power of priming? Let's explore using ChatGPT. First up, let's imagine you're asking ChatGPT without any priming. Your question, where should I go on my next vacation? You get a general suggestion, but it's missing personal touch. Now let's spice things up a bit. Now let's add some details like you are planning a trip for your family of four, aiming for a tropical paradise near the beach with a direct flight to and from Bangalore and a budget of 50,000 rupees. Let's see how ChatGPT responds. I would like to go on a trip with my four-member family. The location should be tropical. We would love to be close to the beach. I would like to the flight to be one direct flight to and from Bangalore, and I have a travel budget of 50,000 rupees. Where should I go on my next vacation? That's more like it. The response is personalized considering your family size, the tropical vibe, and your budget constraints. But let's break down what ChatGPT suggested. ChatGPT suggests destinations like Goa, Maldives, Phuket. Why? Because they align with your criteria: beautiful beaches, tropical atmosphere, and a direct flight to and from Bangalore within your 50,000 rupees budget. This destination not only fit the bill but also offer your range of experiences within your budget. So, here are the takeaway. When asking AI for advice, providing more context leads to more personalized and relevant suggestion. Priming sets the stage for AI to understand your preference and constraints. Let's write another question. Please create three potential titles. Please create three potential titles for my new online course that teaches how to use AI. Here is the answer. What if we ask detailed question? Suppose same question in detailed manner. Please create three potential titles for my new online course that teaches people how to use AI. Here is an example of my recent course title. Please emulate the styling and written format of this. Cinematic Mastery, a comprehensive guide to advanced videography techniques. And there you have it. The power of priming with ChatGPT in crafting the perfect vacation. Whether you are an adventure seeker, a family vacation planner, or just daydreaming about your next getaway, remember, the more details you provide, the better AI can assist you. In this section, we have seen detailed prompt. In the next session, we will learn our daily used prompt, everyday prompt.